Building Back Better, Disability and Music. A song that evokes emotion. Important advice from a music therapist for all. Conducted by Aastha Luthra, clinical music therapist.
So when you are listening to music in the headphones, always look upon what volume are you listening at. If it is too loud, this is going to harm your mental peace. So music should not be above volume of 60 and 80. So try avoiding volume which is above around, let's say, 60% or 80% of it. 80% is the max volume you should be using. Always look upon the playlist you have. So if you have too many sad songs in your playlist, that simply means you need to look upon, talk to someone, because if you're listening to sad songs or you're listening to very fast songs, that is going to make you a little anxious at times. So always look upon what your playlist looks like. Even if you want to know someone else, please look upon their playlist. And once you look upon their playlist, you get to know how they are, how they feel, what they are thinking about. So that's how you can know about someone else, about finding out what is the best song they like, what is the song music they love about. You can also go to a concert. That also helps, because then you tend to meet a lot of people who likes the same sort of music as you do. So listening to a concert also helps. Playing an instrument. So as I told you, playing an instrument or singing always helps. So you can start doing something about learning one of a music instrument. And the last and the least thing, that is called as sharing circles. So always remember, if you share music, it always helps. Even leave about music. If you talk and if you can articulate very well, it is going to always help you. So always in a group, try and say what you really want to say. Because when you say, then people get to know how you are feeling. And that's what is the most important thing in life. Let people know who you are and how do you feel. So go on about sharing about what you feel, how you feel in the volumes which you want to say. Let's say I am very angry about something and I'm not liking it. I'm going to yell and be very loud saying, "Nahi, mujhe ye nahi karna hai," because it is going to help people to know that this is making me anxious and I am not liking it. So always try and have a sharing circle, but in a safe zone. So if you go out in the mall and start doing that, it will make everybody very anxious. But if you do it in the home, everybody will understand that, okay, you are having a bad mood today, or this is something which you don't like and we should not be doing it. So a sharing circle with all your sounds always help people to understand who you are.